Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we'll be looking at some cool machines that have some unique and impressive features. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure to like the video and subscribe to see more like it. And with that, let's get started. First up, we have the FIREFLY AUTOMATIX R300. It is an automated roll harvester manufactured by FIREFLY AUTOMATIX, a company that specializes in automated turf equipment. It can harvest turf grass bundles automatically and efficiently, and its cutter head is durable and capable of cutting grass with precision and speed. The machine has a roll-up system that operates silently and produces dense rolls. The synchro stacker system then stacks the rolls precisely on pallets. The pallet injector can automatically load and unload pallets, reducing the loading stop time. This machine can produce up to 300 rolls per hour, depending on the crop conditions. It has a GPS that tracks the location and number of rolls produced. The Turf View cockpit has been designed with the operator's safety and convenience in mind. Thanks to the touchscreen monitors, the operator can adjust the settings and monitor the performance of the machine. Moreover, the FIREFLY AUTOMATIX R300 is powered by a diesel engine that meets the emission standards of Tier 4 Final. It was designed to reduce labor costs and increase efficiency for farmers who grow crops for animal feed or bedding. Ocean Spray is a company of over 700 cranberry growers in North and South America that produces cranberry goods such as juice, syrup, and dried cranberries. Cranberries reach their peak color and taste in the fall, when they are also suitable for wet harvesting. Wet harvesting involves flooding the bogs with water and then using water reels to separate the fruit from the vines. The fruits rise to the top of the water because they contain air pockets. Once gathered, they are put into trucks. Most of the cranberries are processed into juice and for sauce use. Many people come to witness cranberry harvesting because it is a colorful and festive occasion. DMJ Drainage is a company based in the United Kingdom that helps people in the agricultural, recreation, and amenity sectors drain their land. In South Lincolnshire, they used a Maston Brook 3020 and a CT12 for a large-scale field draining operation. The 3020 Maston Brook is a drainage trencher, and it can excavate ditches up to 450 mm wide and 2.2 meters deep for laying drainage pipelines beneath the surface. It comes with two dual-speed motors that deliver max torque across the digging chain speed range. For grade control, a Trimble Precision Laser or GPS is also included. The CT12 is a gravel vehicle deployed alongside a drainage trencher. The cart can carry up to 13 tons of gravel and features a conveyor belt to discharge the material into the trench. Next, we have the PLANTMA-X. It is the creation of a Swedish company, PLANTMA Forestry. The machine offers mechanical planting of forestry seedlings. It is built on an eco-log forwarder and includes a soil scarification device in the shape of a mid-mounted harrow. One operator drives the forwarder, while another sits in the rear cab to control the planting arms of the machine. These arms can be positioned for planting every 3 seconds, and the seedling hopper can store 10 to 20,000 seedlings, depending on plant size. In ideal conditions, the PLANTMA-X can plant more than 40 seedlings per minute. Next, we have the MERI Leveler RT600T. It is an efficient and effective attachment for clearing and leveling new agricultural land on mineral and peat soils. It can be used with a 2 to 300 horsepower agricultural tractor or a crawling loader. The unit has a unique auger with bolt-on, bolt-off wear plates capable of working on various soil conditions. It can also level off uneven ditch edges and reconfigure production areas for max efficiency. It can be used for restoring existing wetlands as well as cleaning out new ones. Also, it can help drain bogs and turn them into farmland. Arborco is a tree care company in Melbourne, Australia that specializes in transplanting trees. They utilize the most advanced techniques and tools to guarantee the safety and health of the relocated trees. Tree translocation service entails relocating trees from one location to another for preservation or aesthetic reasons. Generally, a tree transplanting machine consists of hydraulic-powered spades mounted on a truck. These spades are stabbed into the soil around the tree. Upon lifting, the transplanter takes the tree out of the ground. This method does not harm the tree roots. Therefore, the lifted tree can be easily relocated to a new place and planted there. Well, there you have it. We hope you enjoyed learning about these great machines. If you did, consider subscribing. We've got plenty of more machines that you can learn about. Just click here. And with that, we'll see you next time.